Hey everybody, Gears here. So all the research I've done over the last few weeks, watching various videos on the Senton here, a couple days ago I came across one by RC Guy Garage, and he was doing a live broadcast tearing down, I forget which one, it might have been a Senton, but it was definitely an Arrma, and no, he was replacing the ESC or the servo or something over here. Anyhow, one of the problems he had is that the wheels were going backwards, and they shouldn't be, obviously. You can go into the ESC controller if you happen to know the particular beep code. If you don't, what he did was swap the blue and the peach wires here. Now, looking at these, you might think, well, that's kind of strange that they should cross over like this, isn't it? Yeah, I suppose so. It kind of seemed strange to me at the time. And yeah, so what he did was take the blue and put it here on the peach, and he took the peach and put it here on the blue, and suddenly his car was racing forward again. So and look at that, all three wires are in order the way they should be. So did Arrma mislabel these? What happened that this happened, essentially? The ESC should by default be spinning forward, and yet here we have something backwards going on. So definitely I'd agree with RC Guy Garage that the best way to do this is to go into the ESC and swap the numbers there. There's a clockwise and counterclockwise option, but if you don't have that or don't know it, apparently you just swap those two wires. For the moment, I'm going to swap these back again just because, but that is all for this one. So thanks for watching. See ya.